Hi, welcome friends. Welcome back to Digital Marketing Tools and Techniques. In the last video we have seen how we can create and delete an existing YouTube channel. So today we'll be going a further different way. Like today we will see how we can edit an existing video that we have uploaded on our YouTube channel. So let's go to our YouTube channel. So here I have my YouTube channel over here. Okay, it has a couple of videos over here. So this time I want to edit any of the video. So I will be selecting this video. I want to edit this video, so I'll be selecting this. And if you hover your mouse on this link, you can see a pencil icon which has the caption details. Okay, so just click on that. Yeah, if you click on that, you can see the details over there. So if you want to edit the title or description, you can just come here, make any changes, or make the changes in the first part. Okay, edit that. So if you want to edit the description, you can edit it over here. So I'm not editing it. And if you want to change the thumbnail, you can change it from here. And if you want to add any tags or anything, you can click here and update the tags here. Okay, so I'm just editing the title here and just saving it. If you want to save the video, click on the save button over here, click on that. Yeah, it will take a couple of minutes. Yeah, it's saved now. Then just go back to your dashboard and click on this back arrow button. Yeah, so yeah, here you can see our edited content. This is the edited content. So the text editor has appeared over there. So in this way we can actually edit an existing video. So I'm going to change it back. I am going to remove the edited text from there because I'm using it for other activities. So I'm again removing this edited from here and clicking on the button save to save it. Yeah, it has been saved. And if you want to change any other thing, you can actually change it. Like you can add subtitles, you can add end screens, you can add cards over here. So any changes that you want to make, you can do it from here. Okay, so that's simple. And if you go back, you can see that the video has been edited. The title of the video has been edited. You can see here it's not there. The text editor is not there. So that's how we can edit an existing YouTube video. So I hope that you understood how to edit an existing video, edit the features of the existing video. So if you found it useful, just like and share my video. And also if you are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get further notifications from me whenever I upload new videos. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned, stay safe, and till then, bye bye.